Hi, I'm Dave. Today we're here to talk about how to pack in a backpack. There are two reasons why we pack in a backpack. Reason number one, backpacks are light and tight. Reason number two, there's a theological reason we pack in a backpack. When Jesus sent out his disciples, he told them to go for their journey with a minimal amount of things. My backpack has a series of pockets we can use to pack. A big one in the back that's perfect for your bulkier items or even a small sleeping bag. A little bit smaller pocket where you can put additional clothes, maybe pajamas or underwear. A smaller pocket, which is where I love to put my toiletries and personal items. And a small zipper pocket on the front for small accessories. Here are some tools that make it easier to pack light and tight. Most of these things can be found in your local sporting goods store or maybe at a camping or backpacking outfitter. Number one, try to find a small sleeping bag, something that packs down tight that maybe you can even fit inside your bag on a short trip. If you need an air mattress, try finding one of these special hiking air mattresses that collapses down super small. Third, and I love this tool, look into purchasing a compression sack. This is a bag, when fully extended, that's about this tall. This becomes a great resource for you to pack in bulky items like sweatshirts and then zip down, taking all the air out, making them smaller than they would actually be on their own. If you're concerned about weather, think about purchasing a rain poncho, one that's reusable. This one I found at a local sporting goods store. It packs into itself, nice and tight and convenient. I can put it in my back pocket if need be. Last but not least, always remember to buy travel-sized toiletries. You don't want to be the person showing up with an enormous bottle of shampoo. Don't forget your toothbrush. Let's explore two possible scenarios for packing with use of your backpack as you travel with a group. The first scenario we will explore would be a 3-day trip, something like a retreat. Maybe you would leave on a Friday afternoon, stay over Saturday night, and come back Sunday evening. 3-day trip, here's what I would normally pack. Start out with my bag. If I'm staying in a cabin or a retreat center, probably need my sleeping bag. My compression sack for dirty clothes or for a big sweatshirt. My rain poncho, toiletries, and enough clothes to last me for the weekend. To pack most efficiently, there's a certain way I like to fold all my clothes. Socks. I learned this one from my wife. You fold them together, you roll the top down. When you're done, you got a little sock too. Nice and easy. Shorts. When it comes to shorts and t-shirts, I like basically the same strategy. I love to roll my clothes. You can fit more into a small space and you can keep them from wrinkling. Start by folding in half, and then from the top down, roll it nice and tight until you end up with a nice long cylinder. Okay, now for the big challenge. Instead of a 3-day retreat, let's assume this time we're packing for a 6-day trip. Something like summer camp or a mission trip. You're going to be gone a little bit longer, so you need a few more changes of clothes. Here are all the clothes that we packed for a 3-day trip, just like we looked at a minute ago. Over here we see all the additional clothes that we'll be packing in addition to the clothes we've already packed once before. I'm going to show you that this can be done, and you can have everything you need for a full 6 days. Ready? Here we go. Here is the ideal picture of what it looks like to show up for a trip with our group. You got your backpack, if necessary a sleeping bag, and your pillow. Inside I've got a sweatshirt on one side, my towel on the other. Now let's take a closer look at this backpack. Here's how we did it. Socks on top, easy access. If you look inside, you see that by rolling everything up into cylindrical tubes, we're able to slide it all down together, making it easily accessible from the top of the bag. Don't bother trying to roll jeans, they're just too bulky. In a similar fashion, I always bring a hat because some days I don't feel like getting up and washing my hair. Same way with our shorts, underwear, and additional t-shirts. Roll them up nice and tight. And in our front pocket, we've got all of our toiletries. And that is how to pack a backpack. Remember, pack light and pack tight. Thanks for watching.